Well, I got the day off, so I figured I'd take this opportunity to put in my replacement dual band antenna that I'm putting up to replace my J-pole. So I got the MFJ 1754. It's a little $50 ground plane vertical is what it's called. And it seems so far pretty easy and straightforward to put together, so I'll show you where I'm at in the process. Let me flip the camera around. Alrighty, sorry I'm being so quiet, but my girlfriend's niece is asleep, so this is it. So pretty much you got these radials, and they attach to these screws here. You just slide them through these holes. Pretty straightforward. I think I got it about as good as I can get it. That's your coax connector. There you go. It's not like crazy sized or anything. So this is all I use. I got this little electronics toolkit, screwdriver kit, so it's not entirely done yet, but should hopefully be soon. So I'm gonna put it together the rest of the way and then go about mounting it up on the pole and see if it does any better than the J-pole I got. I'm sure there's gonna be some hams cringing, but I got this pole. There it is. You can see it at the top of the J-pole. That's where I decided to mount it, but I got that stupid branch right there. So, and then there's the wire for my HF antenna, so I think they're a little too close. But this is what I got to work with for right now, so we'll see how this goes. Well, this is definitely an improvement. I'm able to hit the Vero Beach repeater, so I'm thinking it's a success so far. So anyway, I forgot to do an outro for the video earlier, so yeah, I got it up and it worked great. I was able to hit the Vero repeater. I got on 146.520, and people were able to hear me as far down south as Stewart and as up north of Vero Beach. So that's pretty good coverage for only being about 20-25 feet up, and definite improvement over the repeater, or sorry, the J-pole I had up before. And I'm gonna hook up that J-pole to an antenna and I'll analyzer and see what was going on with it, because I'm not sure what was up with it, but I was able to be heard, like I said, about 20 miles south and probably about 15-20 miles north. So yeah, it's doing really well. At this point, I would recommend that antenna. For $50, you can't go wrong, and it was working well on both 70 centimeter and 2 meters. So, like I said, I'm gonna hook it up to my Nano VNA at some point in the near future. I lost my short pin for the Nano VNA, so I gotta order another one. And as soon as I can get that, I'll go ahead and hook it up and see what it says as far as SWRs and whatnot go. But it works. Like I said, it was working really well. So anyhow, that's it for now. 7.3s, and I'll catch y'all later. This is WE5MAG, the trucking ham. Stay safe.